Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, still on fractions. So today we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of fractions, but we'll take it in two parts. The first one we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of like fractions. So we'll see for like fractions and then we'll also see for unlike fractions. So let's start with like fractions. Simplify 3 over 19 plus 11 over 19. Now, the idea of addition of fractions generally involves LCM. Involves LCM. So what do we have? 3 over 19 plus 11 over 19. What do we have? We draw our line under it. Please follow the steps carefully. We'll draw our line under it. And then what we have? We should now we'll get the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. But what we are having here is that we are having the same denominator, which is 19 and 19. 19, 19. So the LCM will still be 19. And what do we have? So we put our 19 under here. Now, what do we do? 19 into 19, please carefully look at this. 19 into 19, that will give us 1. And then 1 times 3, that will be 3, plus 19 into 19, that will be 1. 1 times 11, that will give us 11. And our answer will be equals to 3 plus 11, that will be 14 all over 19. Please look at it again. 19 into 19, that would be 1. 1 times 3, 3. 19 into 19, 1. 1 times 11, 11. So, and now and we will add that. That will give us 14 over 19. Number 2, now when you are doing addition and it involves mixed fraction, I strongly recommend you change them to improper fractions. Change to improper fractions. 4 times 3, that will be 12. 12 plus 1, that will be 13 all over 4, minus 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, that will be 5 all over 4. So we take the LCM of the denominators, which is 4 and 4. So 4 here, what do we have? 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 13, 13. Minus 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 5, that will give us 5. And our answer would be 13 minus 5, that would be 8 all over 4. So what do we do here? Our final answer, we reduce, in fact, this can be reduced to lowest term. 4 can divide 8. So 4 here, 2, 4 here, 1. 2 divided by 1, or 2 over 1, and our answer will be equal to 2. Okay, move to uh, combining addition and subtraction. And you can see those are mixed fractions. So what do we have? This will be one whole number 3 over 5 plus 4 whole number 2 over 5 minus 1 whole number 1 over 5. Changing these fractions to improper fraction, that will give us 5 times 1, 5 plus 3, that will be 8 over 5 plus 5 times 4, 20, 20, 20 plus 2, that will be 22 all over 5, minus 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, that will be 6 all over 5. And what our LCM? Our LCM 5, 5, 5, so LCM will be 5. So 5 into 5, 1, 1 times 8, 8, plus 5 into 5, 1, 1 times 22, 22, minus 5 into 5, 1, 1 times 6, that will be 6. So if we add that, 8 plus 8 plus 22, that will be 30, and 30 minus 6, that will give us 24. So 24 all over 5. And then we can put our answer as mixed fraction, which will be 4 whole number 4 over 5. And that brings us to the end of addition of like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. So please carefully go through the activity and solve them one after the other. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do well to like, to subscribe, and to share to others. See you in the next class.